What's up, guys? Congratulations with the yet another pump. Although here the situation was like 50-50, it wasn't clear where the price will go, and the Bollinger Bands was very narrow, and also this symmetrical triangle didn't give any preference on the direction of the next move of the price. But if you remember, I kind of expected that it might go higher in order to collect the stop orders above this zone, and indeed it went just a little bit higher than $7,500. It's like $7,600 something, but at the same time I expected that at least the zone of 7,800, maybe even 8,000 will be touched by the week of the price, something like this, and only then we can see the sell-off lower. Well, not necessarily that sharp, but in any case somehow higher, and then much lower. Instead of that, we went above this previous high, but very little, and you see the volume here is not that great at all. So I would say that this pump will be either a very short-lived, and you see already some decline started. In fact, on the shorter time frame, let's say 30 minutes time frame, you can see, and I posted this on Twitter, Telegram, we have the higher highs, but we have lower highs on the RSI and stochastic RSI, and also histogram of MACD, also lower highs. This is a bearish divergence, and trend change starts from the lower time frames. So we already have this like 100 or more than $100 dump after this peak was reached. And again, on the higher time frames up to 4 hours, all the indicators are really oversold, so I would expect that it's really likely that we actually are going down. Moreover, the difference between longs and shorts, both BitMEX and Binance, they were serving as the indicator for the price move in a nice manner recently. So BitMEX 57 against 33, and Binance also longs number is higher than the number of shorts, meaning that for the market, it's easier and it's more profitable to collect liquidity when the price will go to the downside. Despite, as I said, the majority of the stop orders on this way up were above $7,800, and it could actually still make another week, something like this, maybe test this resistance line, which actually started from the very early stage from August or even earlier, and after that we may see the sell-off back to at least 61.8%. Of course, if we'll break it and hold above that will be a very bullish sign, and we have this 50% Fibonacci retracement over here, so it's a possibility that we may actually break this downtrend finally. Moreover, for example, here we have this trend line which follows the acceleration of the price move to the downside, and we did break it even here, even at $7,000, and then test it on the way down, bounce from that to the upside, and after that we had this move finally. So maybe this is an attempt to break the downtrend. However, still the global highs weren't broken, like this 9,000, 9,500, 8,500 even. So until then I would be very cautious in terms of expecting the rise, and well, I have like 2-3 maybe scenarios of what will happen. First scenario is that we will actually will have this week up, and then we'll have a correction, and then somewhere here we maybe have a consolidation at some point. Second option is that we will go down immediately from here and maybe go even lower than $7,000, maybe test this support which was resistance before. And the third option is that we'll continue to consolidate within this area, and finally we'll grow, maybe show some organic growth in order to test this level, maybe go even higher and higher. Me personally, I would probably prefer to see this scenario, to see this week, see the volume, the liquidation of the shorts, and then only the dump, and we can actually judge what will happen eventually after that. Second likely scenario is this one, so it's already actually started 7,440 and it's continued to go down, so this is also likely to happen. In the third unlikely scenario, but for all of the bulls out there, it's very desired one, when we'll have the consolidation finally go up, breaking this downtrend. But again, don't be too optimistic, don't expect that too much, because again, all the indicators especially on the shorter time frames, like 4 hours time frame, are greatly oversold, so we'd have to see some correction, at least some correction here. In any case, it's a bit easier now to see what will happen, because here it was completely uncertain situation, but gradually it's resolving, and we finally will see some kind of a signs for the price moving one way or another. I will keep you updated, guys. So far that is it for today. Thank you for watching.